Hi guys, welcome to my channel Simply Homemade. So today we have an amazing recipe, very quick, very easy, very tasty and also very cozy for winter. So today we have Shunti Pulao, that translates to ginger pulao or adrak pulao because the main ingredient in this is ginger. So let's see what all we need to make it. We need coriander. I've taken a handful of coriander, and this is 6 green chilies slit, and this is 2 cinnamon, and these are 4 cloves. There's around 3 to 4 bay leaves. There's half pod of garlic that's mashed, and there's ginger. The ginger which I've used is this much, and there's 1 cup of rice. Now to make Shunti Pulao, we'll take around 3 spoons of oil. My cooker is already heated. Now that the oil is heated, we'll add the bay leaves. Here I've taken around 4 bay leaves, and our cinnamon, our cloves, add our green chilies, we'll add our garlic. At this point, please lower your flame because the garlic tends to burn very fast. And then add your ginger. Let's fry it for some time on low flame. Guys, do this only on low flame or else it's going to burn. We'll fry this for about 2 minutes. Lesser than 2 minutes actually. Now looks like this is done. It's fried nicely. Now we'll add our washed rice. I'm using 1 cup of rice. You need to add it to the oil only. Fry this for about half a minute. We'll add our coriander. Guys, use only low flame because it's going to burn very easily. Now we'll add 2 cups of water for the rice. I've measured 2 cups in this. Adding crystal salt. Bring it to boil. Now you can increase your flame. Everything's added in this. We'll give it a good stir. Once it starts to boil, you can close it. This tends to be very spicy, so adjust your spice level accordingly. Now we'll close this. Let's wait for 2 whistles, 2 to 3 whistles. Now our Shunti Pulao is ready. Let's open it. Wow. It smells amazing. And it's properly cooked. You can eat it just like that. Also pair it with some curries, your favorite curry. We pair it with our brinjal curry. Now Shunti Pulao is ready, and I've paired it with my amazing Bengan curry. In Kannada it's called yengai. So do try it.